Hello everyone, my name is Pedro. I'm a product content specialist at GetResponse, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a website using our website builder pre-designed templates. So to get started, we will click on menu at the top and then select website builder. We will be taken to the page where your existing websites will show, and if you don't have any website yet, you will just see a very intuitive design where you can just click on a button to start creating a website, and you will then have a few options on how you want to create. I have created a video on how you can use the AI builder to create a website. Make sure to check that one out. And for this video, I'll be showing you how you can use a pre-designed template. And the first thing that you have to do is to just click create website. Let's go ahead. And for this video will be use a ready-made template. And here we are on what I will be calling main screen. And as you can see, you can select from pre-designed templates and blank templates. This is where you just have sections and you can create your own website the way you want with a blank template without any design, just the sections. Or you can even pick a completely blank template for that. But we will be using a pre-designed template on this one. As you can see, you have the categories at the top, all of them here, and they are cross-checked with the options from the left. So these options from the left are basically the goal of your website. What is your website about? Is it educational? It's an e-commerce where you're planning to sell something. And when you select something, you will see that the categories change, because we don't have every template for all the categories. And so you need to check the one that will fit the purpose of your website, and pay attention that a launch page and a landing page, the purpose is just to have one page. So it's not a whole website, it's just one page. For this video, I'll be going with a website from food and drink. We'll be running an ice cream shop, and I want to show you how to go through the full site preview, which is actually pretty fast. If you just click on it, you'll be taken to the website straight away, and you can visualize all the pages and how it looks like. You can see we are home, and I can click on menu, about us, and also, and in this case, for this specific template, there is contact. So you can click on contact and see how it looks like, name, email, comment. If you don't like this template, you can just click on the X on the top right, or if you like it, you just click use template here. I will use it, but just to show you, I'll click on the X. And as you can see, I'm taken to the main screen once again. I'll be actually using this template and click use template. Now I'll be taken to the editor itself, which is a drag and drop editor. I'll be covering more features of the editor itself and how you can use the website builder in later videos. For this video, the purpose was just to show you how you can use a pre-designed template to have a beautiful website prepared for you in just a few minutes. As you can see, very vibrant colors, which very attractive for people to look at, and you can then adapt for your business. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you for watching till the end, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a nice day.